This wireless surveillance system from Aliexpress is a versatile solution designed for monitoring and security, with specific features tailored for use as a baby monitor. Wireless 2.4G technology utilizes 2.4G wireless technology for convenient and cable-free transmission of video signals between cameras on the monitoring system. 4CH security system. A 4-channel security setup allows simultaneous monitoring of up to 4 cameras, providing comprehensive coverage for various areas. 720p camera resolution. Surveillance cameras offer a 720p resolution, delivering clear and detailed video footage for effective monitoring. Infrared night vision. Equipped with infrared night vision capabilities, ensuring visibility in low light conditions or complete darkness for continuous monitoring, especially during nighttime. Baby monitor functionality. Designed to function as a baby monitor, offering real-time monitoring and two-way audio communication. This feature allows users to keep a close eye on infants or children. Quality certification. This CCTV camera is made of high-quality materials, which is safe and reliable to use. It has passed strict quality inspection before leaving the factory. Fits perfectly. The CCTV camera system is compatible with baby monitor, infrared night vision, etc. Plug and play. No need to install any software, just plug and play. You can enjoy your CCTV security system in minutes.